The new Baofeng K6 has a stopwatch function, but to find it, it's sort of hidden in the menu. So click the menu, go to 57, then you have to hit the menu again. Again, to turn it on, that'll bring up your stopwatch function. And then to start it, you just hit the menu one more time. It'll start going through. Click it one more time, stops it. There's no way to save this, so if you want to save results or whatever, you have to write it down. There's no way to save it within the radio, but click it one more time, it clears it, and it starts automatically over again. And just stop it to finish it. Other than that, there's not much to it. It's just find it in the menu, turn it on, use it, and then hit exit to back out. Just brings you back to the main menu, and that's really about all that's involved with it. So if this tip helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.